Hello, hello, good morning, welcome to APG.STUDIO, and today, good morning yoga, how to start your day full of energy but spending less time. So 10 minutes good morning yoga right now. Okay, so let's start in stand-up position. Going to lift your arms. As you exhale, slowly pull your shoulders back and down. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Really work with your chest and your shoulders to pull your shoulders back to stretch your chest. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And one more. Both arms reach really high. Lengthen your spine. Exhale to relax your shoulders. Inhale, reaching up. And slowly exhale down. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Now legs even wider, so you got good balance. Try to control your abs, control your buttocks muscles, hold it tight. Now left arm. Inhale. As you exhale, try to bend to your right. Keep your left arm straight. Relax your right shoulder. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now the same to your left. Relax your left side, but keep your right arm straight. Inhale and exhale. And relax both arms, lacy fingers. Palms facing up and forward right now. Inhale and slowly exhale. If you need to bend your elbows, try to bring your arms above your head. Inhale and exhale to stretch your chest. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And now very slowly fold forward, flex your hips, bend your knees like a squat position, but with your chest really low. Wrap your elbows and let's rock your body back and forth, knees bent always, especially in the morning when the muscles stiff. They need more time to be ready, so try to bring your torso towards your legs. Feel the stretch here. Lower back, your glutes, back of your legs. And now hands on the floor. Bring your knees, hands underneath your shoulders, knees with your hips lift apart. Tuck those under. Look forward. Belly down. And exhale. Head down. Pelvis tuck in. And feet flat. Inhale. And exhale, if your muscles really stiff, avoid forcing, just use the range of movement you have, okay? Body to get used to the morning stretching, so please be very gentle with yourself, especially with this one. You've got really stiff muscles in your lower back, just respect your limitations for now. Inhale and slowly exhale. And one more. And now hands a little bit further and let's stretch not only lower back, hips, glutes, but also your upper back, arms, chest, shoulders. Pelvis tuck under, so you're not dropping your belly, you're making opposite movement. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders, toes tuck under. And now try to move to the down dog position. March on the spot. Keep your both knees bent. And don't worry if you can't reach your heels to the floor yet. Takes more time. Morning stretching is to be super gentle as your body is still very tight. Deep breath in and slowly out. Back to center. And now right leg forward. 90 degrees underneath both knees. Squeezing glutes. Arms again. Inhale. Slowly shoulders back and down. Maybe you've got a little bit more movement right now. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay. On your right knee, control position. Squeeze the glutes on your right. Work for stronger core muscles. But also, when you're controlling your buttocks on your right, you've got more stability in this pose. Inhale. And exhale. Shake your smile. Always helps. Inhale. And exhale. And one more. Okay, so let's stand up. Legs wider than your shoulders width apart. Strong glutes. Left arm inhale. Slowly exhale. Check how you're doing right now. Maybe it's a little bit more movement. Or it's the same, which is fine as well. Please, please always work with your muscles the right way, right range of movement for you right now. And change the side. Inhale. Exhale. Arms behind. Show from the side. Inhale. Exhale. Your legs straight. Bend forward. Inhale. And exhale. Feel the stretch back of your legs. Lower back. Spine is nice and long, so not bending from your belly, from your hips. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, slowly exhale. Feet together, arms up. Slowly again, bend your knees, fold forward. Grab your elbows, shake your head yes and no. Knees bent, hips low. Try to rest your torso on your legs. Rock your arms side to side. Good balance. If you're struggling, keep your feet wider apart. And now slowly let's roll up. You've got your knees bent until you're completely upright, straight legs. Inhale, arms. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Bring your arms front to you. Inhale. And slowly exhale, cross. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Slowly relax shoulders. Okay. So thank you. It was a 10 minutes morning yoga session for a good day. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, give me a thumbs up. And if it's your first session, please subscribe for more and turn on notifications so you got all the information about coming very soon more videos. Bye guys, and have a lovely day.